Hi, welcome to the mock court for apprentice lawyers. The topic we would like to tell you today is abuse of dominant position. First, let me briefly explain what abuse of dominance is. The term abuse of dominant position refers to anti-competitive business practices in which a dominant firm may engage in order to maintain or increase its position in the market. Then, let me enumerate a case. Orange Household Limited said, in past years, Deepwater Intelligence Limited has been unfairly charging for patents on technologies even it has nothing to do with. The more Orange innovates in smart homes, such as a smart air conditioner or floor mopping robot, the more patents Deepwater acquires for no reason at all. For Oranges, the innovation is getting harder and more expensive. Although Deepwater is an outstanding contributor to the industry's standards, they charge Orange more than all other nations combined. Orange formally filed its lawsuit against DeepSea on Friday. Orange said Deepwater was illegally exporting its dominant position in the field of artificial intelligence and was demanding a refund of 5 million ringgit of patent royalties it had promised, and accused Deepwater of abusing its market dominant position to impede competition and abuse its market dominance as a provider of specific artificial intelligence to impose regulars, supply, and patent authorization terms on manufacturers like Orange's. And Deepwater has also slapped down competitors and refused to give these technologies to other AI manufacturers to prevent them from producing them.
Issue: is there an abuse of dominance by Deepwater Intelligence Company? Law: the concept of abuse is not specifically defined in the Competition Act. However, Section 10.2 of the Competition Act provides a non-exhaustive list of conduct that may constitute abuse of a dominant position, directly or indirectly imposing an unfair purchase or selling price or other unfair trading condition on any supplier or customer, limiting or controlling production, market outlets or market access, technical or technological development or investment to the prejudice of consumers, refusing to supply to a particular enterprise or a group or a category of enterprises, discriminating by applying different conditions to equivalent transaction with other trading parties, forcing conditions in a contract that have no connection with the subject matter, predatory behavior towards competitors, and buying up a scarce supply of resources whether there is no reasonable commercial justification.
So, in this case, there is no doubt that Deepwater has abused its dominant market position by forcing manufacturers to pay royalties for many unnecessary patents when selling AI technologies, and by refusing or restricting the licensing of its standard key patents to competitors, which also impeded competition. By illegally exploiting its monopoly position in the field of artificial intelligence, Deepwater Intelligence not only charges expensive fees to downstream manufacturers, but also hinders the normal development of other suppliers. Such behavior violates Article 2 of the Anti-Monopoly Law, not only endangering market rules but also hurting the rights and interests of consumers. Therefore, it was found that the act of Deepwater Intelligence constituted monopolistic conduct. Deepwater should return Orange Household 2 million ringgit and pay the penalty of 5 million ringgit.